delighted and honored to greet these lovely batch of students who came from Etihad School to come and visit us at Alnasr Technical Trading Agencies, ATTA. This is something we've been wanting to do for quite some time. It was really exciting, and we want to do more of this.
I'm excited to be with my students in Young ADIPEC. I've been bringing our students to Young ADIPEC many times now. Every time we visit a different place related to petroleum industry, they can now have a clear idea what to select in the future, what kind of work they do. For sure, it will help them to plan about their future.
There are Emirati students who are willing to come and work. With this initiative happening, it's definitely a good start for them.
I'm thankful for Young ADIPEC for picking us and taking us to ATTA. It was actually fascinating. After what I saw today, it gave me the idea that I want to be a mechanical engineer.
I would like to thank Young ADIPEC, and I would also like to thank ATTA. They were very welcoming. The tour was very informative. It gives you an insight of what this job is really about.
Young ADIPEC is good because it provides everything for us, and it gives me more information about mechanical engineering.
These trips are a good idea because young nationals should go into this industry. Our founder, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan, believed in young adults, believed in their power to build the nation. Young ADIPEC is taking those talents to new heights so that they could achieve the vision of our founder.